Justice Minister Martha Karua, who claims she has not read the bill that gives the government the green light to raid and disable a media house, has now added a new twist to the controversial communications bill. Karua says President Kibaki does not have to reject the proposed law, as Parliament that passed the bill in a record 25 minutes could later amend it.
I may not agree with you that the President should not assent to the bill. If the bill can be amended, then he could assent, and immediate amendments immediately published in the statute law miscellaneous amendment.
Karua says the bill that has been roundly condemned as draconian and drafted with malice should not be wholly condemned.
We don't have to throw everything away because it contains good things.
The Justice Minister is accusing foreign envoys who joined in the condemnation of the bill of double standards, claiming other countries had laws to regulate the operations of the media.
Mabalozi pia wafunge midomo kidogo. Wasijifanye eti kwao hakuna sheria kama hiyo. Hatutaki ukoloni mambo leo.
Prime Minister Raila Odinga is set to meet media owners tomorrow to receive their petition to President Kibaki not to assent to the law that seeks to control the media. ODM has had to beat a hasty retreat over the bill following widespread condemnation, a position that has angered the Justice Minister.
Wakati cabinet ilipokuwa ineketi kupitisha hiyo mswada, sisi wengine katika ODM ilikuwa pato tuunga na hiyo serikali.
Because of the issues that have been raised by the media fraternity, we think it is only fair, as a country that listens to itself, that we ask and request His Excellency the President to return the media bill so that we can have a second look at it.
Bunge, wakati tunapitisha, hatuulizwi chama hii onyesheni mikono au toa sauti. Tunaulizwa neno moja tu, wale wanakubali na wale wanapinga. Ile imefanywa ni wewe pia. Sababu ilitakikana tuwe uko ndani, ndivyo kama hutaki uweze kupinga.
The cabinet remains split over the contentious legislation. Gender Affairs Minister Esther Murugi is part of a group that supports the bill that sanctions police raids on media houses.
We are not gagging the media. We are just putting controls and measures so that they report responsibly.
Amid the debate, focus remains on President Kibaki as he weighs his options of a bill that is crucial in defining his legacy. Emmanuel Salam, KTN Weekend Prime.